You almost caught me falling. Hi, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Here we are. We're back on the E450 F53 55-gallon fuel tank with a pump. Remember, I did the key on engine off at like 0 psi. Then when we cranked it, it went up to like 45, 50. As soon as we turned it off, dropped to 0. Well, we found out that the fuel pump was defective. And here's the end results, okay, folks? So here we go. I'll show you. You can get this for like $39. Just this. It's got an adapter and all that. I'll find it and save you a couple bucks. You ain't gotta buy all this fancy gauge stuff like I got, and fits 52 different damn RVs. And all right, so here's 0. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the key on. Ready? Right here. Just key on, engine off. It should get a prime. Click. So I want about 15. That's enough to start it. So it's holding, folks. See, it ain't dropping. Before it went boom to 0. Let's prime it again. There you go. Look at that, 42. That's me hitting the horn with my arm. All right, so we ain't got no leaks. I already checked it. I already did all this. I'm just doing the video right now for you. I checked for leaks and all that. Key on, engine off. All right. That's me hitting the horn again. Remember, basically the specs was key on, engine off, 55 to 60 psi. But folks, it's holding. It's slowly dropping. It has to. It has residual pressure. So let's see. Key on, engine off again. That means the dash light's on. You do not crank it. Folks, you want 60. There you go. 50. She's holding real good. All right, so now I'm gonna disable all this. Actually, I'm gonna put this on pause, and it'll probably be like a 15-20 minute pause. I don't have to. Trust me, folks, it's got to hold pressure. The last one was dropping to 0 as soon as you turned it off. All right, and this is the tool I use to show you how to empty the fuel tank, so you ain't got to hustle, 10 gallons of fuel, 20 gallons, 55 gallons really would have been nice. Remember the red, same as back there, you had red was the fuel line pressurized. It's a returnless system. There's 3 of them. One's mechanical. One is electronic with the fuel pressure electronic regulator, varying the speed of the pump, but it doesn't have a fuel pressure sensor on the rail. The other one's totally feedback. It has a fuel pressure sensor on the rail and electronic control variable speed fuel pump. All right, so that regulator, remember I showed you that regulator, the fuel pressure regulator mechanical was built into the fuel pump with a lifetime fuel filter. So y'all up under there, hey man, where's my fuel filter? So folks, a lot of these don't have fuel filters no more. They're in the tank with the fuel pump. Lifelong expectancy. Folks, keep your tanks full. Don't run them below quarter a tank. One, your generator won't come on. It'll crank over, but it won't have enough fuel. I showed you that on the other video, how short the line was. There's a reason. We don't want you using up all your fuel and you can't move the vehicle. 2, the fuel pump assembly sits in a bucket. I showed you that. And the bucket contains the fuel for lubrication, and keeping it cool. Folks, use a fuel additive. I don't care which one you use. Hot Shots, folks, it's some of the best stuff up there. Top 3 out of 10. Well, look at that. RV Diagnostic. Yes, they sponsor. I don't get no money out of it, folks. I just get my stuff for my diesel pusher. All right, that saves me $200 or $300 a year. Y'all call them and tell them that you belong to RV Diagnostics, get the discount. Or you can go into Walmart. But sometimes I'm worried about that Walmart stuff, just like a Interstate battery, Walmart battery. It is not the same as Interstate because it says do not return it to Interstate. It's a junk Interstate battery, brand new. They drill holes in it and all that. I took one apart, but anyway, now you see. We'll go back here, look to you a little bit. It's still holding pressure, folks. That's what it's supposed to do. All right, so now I'll do a fuel trim video, long term and short term on here. It should be better. His problem was it started pretty good cold, but when it got hot, it would start like that. Hesitate, stumble. whatever technical word you want to use. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget there's a garage and a school at 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware. All right. Thank you very much. The Facebook page is almost 32,000. The YouTube channel is almost 7,000 members. I think I'm over 640 videos. This will be added to it. The website is right now at $150 a year. I can save you $50 off the website if you email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics or put it in notes in here. All right. So once again, thank you very much. What's the motto? Test, not guess. Safe travels, and may your campfires burn bright till we meet again.